Okay, this is going to be a demonstration on how the 996 touchscreen does a deadbolt. So first I'm going to ADP it. Then clamp it. This machine doesn't have cutters in it yet, obviously. This is just for demonstration. Okay. So once that process is done, I simply press the deadbolt button. The carriage moves to new location. At this point you could move the strike jam. Once it's in position, we clamp. And then it drills the next hole. And then you can unclamp it. And then if you take a look here, you can see you can change the deadbolt location wherever you want it, and you can also change the lockboard location on all the different doors, the 6/8, the 8-foot, and the 7-foot.